All right, let's start. This is IELTS speaking part 1, and I'm going to ask you a number of different questions. Smile.
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. During your speaking test, you should smile.
Okay.
That will give you confidence, okay? So, what's your favorite animal?
So my favorite animal is buffalo because it produces milk which is healthy for health. So and we can make butter for with milk. So my favorite animal is buffalo.
All right, my favorite animal is buffalo. That's good. What is the most popular animal in your country?
The most popular animal in our country is uh, camel. So because the camel size is very large, so everyone who cannot know camel, but everyone who don't know camel.
Don't go into that, okay? Now, see, you're just confusing yourself.
Yes.
What is the most popular animal in your country? Camel is the most popular animal in my country. In my country, we do have desert, and these camels are found there in the desert. On the other hand, some people use camels as pet animal, and
Yes.
some people eat its meat as well. So, camel is the most common animal in my country. That's it. Keep it simple, short, to the point, and all that. Now, let's go on. Would you like to keep a pet in the future?
Yes, I would like to keep a pet in the future because I will spend my free time with my pets when I will feel bored, so I can easily spend my free time with a pet, so it will be interesting. So I would like
Good.
to.
This is better. Speak
Yes.
like this and keep your answers simple, to the point, and don't come up with complex things. Okay?
Okay.
Good job. Let's go on. Do you use headphones?
Uh, I use headphones when I listen music.
When I listen to music.
Listen to music. Although I use also AirPods as well because I enjoy the music better with AirPods. Uh, so
Yeah, I use headphones regularly. Okay, what type of headphones do you use? Now you can talk about your AirPods.
Yeah. Recently, I visited the ad of AirPods, so I decided to buy AirPods. That's and I buy use and I use AirPods.
I bought used them. Dasna zaruri. Bought AirPods. That's good. Don't sell used ones. Okay, you use them, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So, listen. You should organize your answer. For example, what type of headphones do you use? Well, I usually use AirPods. Very recently, I have purchased a pair of Apple AirPods, and they are very good. So whenever I go outside or whenever I want to enjoy music, I use my AirPods. So to answer your question, I actually use AirPods instead of headphones. कोई साइंसी बात की मैंने? कोई तबसरा सियासी? No. Simple. Okay? Keep it up like this. Let's go on. When would you use your headphones, or when do you use your headphones?
Mostly when I spend my free time, I use my headphones, and when I want to study special things to focus on them, I use my headphones.
All right, this is good. Your English is fine, but you need to understand the question, and accordingly, you got to speak 5-6 sentences. Practice will make you perfect. Okay?
Inshallah.
Thank you.
Okay.
Good job.